my dear little children. Today we are going to learn about wild animals. What is wild animals? Animals that live in jungle, forest or in nature and hunt their own food and water are called wild animals. Let us play the wild animal sound guessing game. Guess the wild animal's sound. 3, 2, 1. It is a sound of a tiger. 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 Guess the wild animal's sound. 3, 2, 1. It is a sound of a wolf. 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 Guess the wild animal's sound. 3, 2, 1. It is a sound of the elephant. 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 Guess the wild animal's sound. 3, 2, 1. It is a sound of the gorilla. 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 Guess the wild animal's sound. 3, 2, 1. It is a sound of the lion. 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 Now let us say all the wild animals' name again. Tiger, wolf, elephant, gorilla, lion. That's all for today's lesson. I will meet you all again in next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.